From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon. Thanks for joining us here on CNET. I'm Ryan Breton from the Campus Weather Service. It is a beautiful fall afternoon here in central PA. Whether you're up enjoying it on Tussey Ridge or even at the Arboretum, plenty of sunshine out there, barely a cloud in the sky over Jeffrey Field and Beaver Stadium as well. Unfortunately, this really nice weather is not going to continue. Today is probably the warmest day that we're going to see for at least 7 or 10 days here in State College. Showers will move in overnight tonight, and that introduces a pattern change. It will turn cooler for the middle part of the week, but that will only be a preview of what is some much more chilly air that will arrive for the upcoming weekend. Take a look. We have a big area of high pressure in place right now. A southwesterly wind is what's bringing in the mild air today, but you don't have to go too far off to the west. We have a cold front now moving into Illinois and Indiana, and this is what is going to move east overnight tonight and eventually bring in some cooler air, probably most noticeable here on Wednesday. Right now it's 72 degrees in State College. That's nearly 10 degrees warmer than we should be this time of the year. Through eastern Pennsylvania, many places in the middle 70s, as warm as 77 in Allentown, 75 in Harrisburg. Just a beautiful October evening underway. Take a look, hardly a cloud in the sky out there, and the satellite confirms that right now here in Pennsylvania. Certainly nothing showing up on the radar either. But you don't have to go too far back to the west. Here come the clouds and the showers now, moving into Illinois and Indiana. These are going to spread east as we go through the overnight hours of tonight. Notice there really isn't a whole lot here, so any period of rain shouldn't be much more than a few hours in State College. But nonetheless, we expect increasing clouds overnight tonight, with rain moving in after 2 or 3 in the morning. Due to the cloud cover, temperatures really won't fall too much overnight. Lows in the mid-50s with that south to southwesterly wind. During the day tomorrow, we'll start the morning with a lot of clouds and a few scattered showers. Then I think we'll find some breaks of sunshine, but you'll notice the wind will tend to pick up tomorrow, and there may actually be another brief shower in the afternoon, with temperatures in State College in the mid-60s. But just to our south and east, many areas may actually climb into the 70s tomorrow, where there'll be a bit more sunshine. But where the cold front passes through a bit sooner, places like Johnstown and Clearfield will struggle to reach 60 degrees tomorrow afternoon. So tomorrow is the transition day to what will be a cooler middle part of the week. Take a look at how that plays out here on the maps. Here comes the cold front tomorrow morning with a few showers early tomorrow morning. During the afternoon, we'll tend to dry out. High pressure will build in on Wednesday. It will be a cooler day and a mostly cloudy day here on Wednesday with a gusty west to northwesterly breeze. Then that area of high pressure settles on top of us here on Thursday. And Thursday actually looks like a pretty nice day, probably about 10 degrees cooler than today, but that places us where we should be this time of the year, with sunshine and highs in the lower 60s. Unfortunately, there are going to be some more substantial changes after that. The jet stream is going to dig down a bit further, allowing a Canadian air mass to move in for the upcoming weekend. That spells chilly weather for the upcoming weekend. Take a look at the 7-day forecast. High temperatures by Saturday will struggle to get out of the 40s with a gusty wind, so it certainly looks much cooler for the end of the week. In the meantime, we'll have a few showers overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. Wednesday is a cooler and breezy day. Thursday looks like a nice day. Temperatures near 60 with a lot of sunshine. Then a few more showers will come in on Friday, and that will introduce much cooler weather, as I mentioned, for the upcoming weekend. So enjoy the next few hours of warmth, and then enjoy Thursday too, because that looks like a pretty decent day. I hope you have a great night. Thanks for joining us here on CNET.